Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I have not done a haul in a minute. So I said I haven't done a haul in a while. So I'm coming on to share with you what I went and found. I found some new finds, you guys. OMG! I found some new stuff. So I'm going to come on and share that with you guys. And I have 3 or 4 items from Walmart that I'm going to share with you at the end also. Yeah, so let's get into my haul. We have these picture frames here. Aren't these super cute? And they have them in silver and they have them in gold. So I picked up a few of these. I have a DIY. Most of my haul, you know, is for my DIYs. So the stuff I got, I'll be coming back to show you what I do with them. Yeah, so I got these picture frames, which they are super cute. Yeah, these are very nice. And I also got these picture frames here, which is nice. I like the, if you can see, because it's still in the plastic, it has like a wood frame, wood decor around the frame, which is very nice because I am liking the rustic look, you guys. I'm getting into the rustic feel. I like it. So I got these picture frames here. I'll be doing a DIY with these also to share with you guys. And look at this. I found so much new stuff at the Dollar Tree this time. A lot of nice items. These are nice jar, and they already come with the jute rope. I think that's what you call it. The jute rope around it. Isn't it super nice? OMG. I like these. So like I said, I like the rustic look. Is it rustic or is it farmhouse? Farmhouse. I like the farmhouse decor. I'm starting to fall for that. Yeah. So I got these. I'll be doing a DIY with these. And I found these signs here, which one says peace and one says brave, which is very nice. I think these are so nice. And it has a shiny surface on the front, and on the back it's plain, a plain goldish color. So it's gold and silver, which they're super cute. One is peace, one is brave. These are nice, new finds at the Dollar Tree. And I got these incense stick holders. Got 2 of them here. I got them for a DIY. I won't be using them for incense, no. So we'll see what I do with them. And I got these hooks at the Dollar Tree too. These nice little hooks. They're nice and they're silver. They have them in white too, but I bought the silver ones. And this is another new find at the Dollar Tree. It's mirrors. It's mirrors, and the size is 4 by 6. 4 inches by 6 inches. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? So I got these. I'll be doing some DIY with these. These are nice. They are a new find at the Dollar Tree. And as you can see, they have the artwork going around the frame, which is very nice. You know, I like them. Nice finds. New items. It's very nice. And this is the mirror. Can you see the mirror, you guys? This is the mirror that they have now. It is smaller than the regular mirrors. They're downsizing their mirrors. I'm going to show you some more mirrors. But they are downsizing their mirrors. As you can see here, this is the size that it was before, and this is the size that it is now. So you see, they're downsizing their mirrors. Yes, they are. And then I got some of these mirrors. They're square mirrors, which they are downsizing these ones also. This is the regular size, and this is the new size. See, as you can see, they are smaller. If you look at them side by side, they are smaller than our regular mirrors. This is a regular one, this is a new one. And they're smaller. As you can see here, they are smaller. They're downsizing. They are downsizing their mirrors. This one is downsized. The large one is downsized. They're downsizing everything. And I got this nice little pouch. I got this nice little pouch. I guess you could use it for makeup or any little knickknacks that you want to carry. It has a little handle. It's very nice. I got it to carry things inside my purse. Yeah, and I think it's super cute. And I got some hand towels. I got some hand towels from the Dollar Tree. I got the white ones. They have other colors, but I got them in white. I'll be doing a DIY with these for you guys. And they have some summer hats. They have some hats. Well, anytime you can wear hats, not just summer. But anytime you can wear hats. So I got some hats also, which is very nice. I got this cute little cup here. You can store pens, pencils, any little knickknacks that you want. You can store inside here. It's very nice. I like the detail around the container. It's very nice. I got that. And I got these. I got these at the Dollar Tree. They're also nice. I'll be doing a DIY with these guys. Yep, I'll be doing a DIY with these. Whoops. I think they're very nice. So I got these at the Dollar Tree. And I bought some pebbles. They have pebbles. They come in different colors, but I bought the white. Some little pebbles. And I got some of the acrylic gems. Now these are so hard to find now. These acrylic gems. I've been searching at a lot of Dollar Trees and I can hardly find them. So I found some, but I need more because I'm doing a DIY with them. So over here at Dollarama, they have some, but they have it with the pearls inside. You guys can see that? It comes with the stones and pearls. Dollar Tree is just the stones, but it's the exact same stones. I should have opened the pack. I'm not sure if you can see it, but the stones are the same. Just that, and then this pack is $2. $2, just because it has some little pearls in it. $2, yeah. And I just bought it because I need it for my DIY. Otherwise I would have never bought it. But I'm still gonna search some more for these. But I went to like 4 Dollar Trees and I didn't find them. I only found them at 1. And they had, I think, 5 packs. I bought the 5 packs. Yeah, but these. I got those. Now I told you I got some things from Walmart. So I'm going to show you what I got from Walmart. I got some rustic letters from Walmart. The metal letters. Yeah, because like I told you, I'm getting into the farmhouse style. So I'll be doing a DIY with these. But I like them. The letters at Walmart. They're very nice. And I had to get another glue gun, you guys. I had to get another glue gun. I go through these like crazy. I go through the glue guns like crazy. Because with me, it overheats. I don't know if it overheats, but it just conks out. Or this part breaks. I don't know why. Or this little thing in here that pushes the glue through breaks. But they go on me like crazy. I've been through so much of these. So much. So I had to go get another one, which I did. So I got this one. That's at Walmart. And I got these. Is this the right way? Yeah. I got these stickers here. These are so nice. I see a lot of ladies on YouTube use them from Walmart. But you guys, Walmart in America has the bigger. The strips are bigger. The strips are much bigger, but Our Walmart over here, the strips are like pinched. This is really pinched. They're small. And this pack is like $4. 3 something for this pack of strip. 1. And they only had 3 left, so I bought the 3. Because there's a DIY that I want to use. I want to do with these strips. So I have to get 3. I'm going to look for some more. But so far I found 3. Alright everyone. That's all that I have to share with you guys today. It's my quick little Dollar Tree haul. Well, maybe not too quick. But it's my Dollar Tree haul. So keep an eye out for the DIYs that I will be doing with these things. And hope you can go into your Dollar Tree and find some of the items that I have here today. If there's anything that you like. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing my Dollar Tree haul for today. And remember, as always, stay blessed. From Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye, everyone.